guys, it's your boy, it's Danilo Everything,
And Elijah, everything.
and today we're gonna be making a video on Speed Run 4.
Yeah, we are going to make a video on Speed Run 4. I'll go into it.
Yeah,
Okay, let's go in the first one. Let's go, Kuya.
let's go.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm coming. Go. My goal is to make it.
Timing us.
Huh?
Timing us.
You didn't know
I
that?
know.
You didn't know that it was timing us?
No, I already knew that.
I
I
died.
died.
I died. I gotta make it before. Oh, I'm a
I'm going to
noob.
try to make it to level 2.
Oh, I see you. I'm a noob. I don't like it.
Yeah, I'm almost there.
Me too.
I made it, Kuya. I'm
I'm
on level 2.
Are
Are
I'm-
you?
Yep.
Where are you?
I already started.
Wait, you already started?
Yeah. I died to a cactus.
Okay. Wait, you can die from cactuses?
Yeah, I just died from a cactus.
Okay. No.
Okay, jump.
Oh yeah, tell me when you're on level 3.
I'm on level 3.
Wait for me, okay?
Yeah, I will wait for you. Let's see. I can't dance. I was gonna dance. I don't know. What can I buy from here? I have 155 diamonds.
I have 69 diamonds.
Okay.
Come on, number 3, Kuya. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, I'm ready. Gotta make it before a minute. I bet you I can make it before 15 seconds.
Wait, let's try to make it in our first try.
Okay. I have to make it before 20 seconds, actually. I made it.
I made it. I'm on level 4.
Me too.
Wait, is this level 4, Kuya?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's level 4.
Wait for me, Kuya.
Elijah, we made it. We made it 4 levels in 3 minutes.
No! I died.
We did 4 levels in 3 minutes. So that means we can do. I made it on my first shot. We can do like we can do 20 levels in 15 minutes. Elijah, I'm waiting for you. I already made it.
You're on level 5?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm almost there. Oh, that was so cool.
Best time.
Hey, you did it. I'm on level
Let's
5.
go.
Come on, let's go, Kuya.
I broke my computer.
You did?
No. I'm gonna die. I knew I was gonna die. I messed up.
Yeah, why did you break your computer?
No, my thing is messed up. I accidentally pressed. No, the video's still working. I just accidentally pressed the button.
What button?
Control.
What does that do?
It changed the way I look.
What do you look like now?
No, Elijah, I'm just joking. It works.
Yeah, why did I have to see that instead?
My bad.
I'm already on the level 6.
I died. I can't make it past him.
I'm waiting.
I'm sorry, okay.
Kuya, last time that happened to me when I was on level 5, remember, Kuya?
Yeah.
Yesterday.
But this time I'm actually not like I'm not trying. I'm just like playing.
Come on, Kuya.
Yeah, Elijah, don't worry. I'm making it right now. I'm already there.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I'm invisible.
No, Kuya, you're still on level 5.
Alright.
And you can't go invisible.
Level
in this game.
6.
Oh, you're right there.
Yep, I'm invisible.
No, I see you.
Hi.
Following you.
I gotta make it before 15 seconds.
Wait, no!
Elijah already made it. I already made it.
Kuya, wait for me.
23 seconds.
Kuya, just wait for me.
Yeah, I will. Hello? Oh, yeah, here, sir.
Kuya,
Yeah?
just wait for me. I'm here.
Okay.
Oh, no.
This is the heart level.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I passed this yesterday, at 5 minutes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the strategy. Just keep jumping till you can
Kuya,
complete.
I already died.
Yeah, I died like 3 times already. I died 4 times. 4 times.
Kuya, this is hard.
Yeah.
You can skip the level if you want.
I'm not. I have Robux, but I don't want to skip the level. I made it. Elijah, I made it already. I'm lying. I haven't made it actually.
Yes. Kuya, I'm making it right now.
I made it.
Kuya, wait for me. No. I'm skipping this.
Go ahead. How much is skip level?
Bucks.
45.
I have 4. Okay.
45?
Nope. I died. The first time.
45 Robux just to skip level. I died.
Yeah. That's so cheap.
That's a lot.
No, it's cheap.
Yeah, but it's cheap and a lot. I see. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you.
No.
Oh yeah, I gotta.
Ah.
Elijah, I gotta make a new intro.
Okay. We'll make that later.
No. I'll make it after the video when I'm editing it.
Yeah.
How did you make it already? I made it.
Wait, what level am I on? Level 7?
Level 9. I'm level 9.
I'm on level 9. Yay.
Go, cause I already made
Level
it.
9 is lava.
It's easy.
Are you on level 9?
Yeah. Yes, I am. I'm on level 10.
Wait, Kuya, you're not on level 10.
How do you know that? Huh?
Because I was on level 9 first.
I died. I died because I slowed down.
I didn't die.
You're on level 10, huh?
I'm on level 10.
Okay, wait for me.
Okay, I'll wait for you on level 11.
Why?
Cut.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm gonna make it like right now. I'm not trying, but I'm gonna try actually now.
I'm on level 11. Yes.
How? You said you're gonna wait for me.
No, Kuya, I am. I'm waiting for you right now.
I overjumped it.
Kuya, what level are you on?
I'm on level 9 still.
Kuya, just hurry.
I will. I'm gonna jump over.
Kuya, hurry. Hurry.
Elijah, hold on. I'm about to make it. I'm just going slow because I'm scared.
Hurry.
Okay, I'm on level 10.
There.
How did you make it?
Huh?
Did you make it past level 10 already?
Yeah, I'm on level 11.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming actually. Oh yeah, the video's still recording. It says recording, so I know it's still recording. Okay, I'm coming like right now.
Hurry, Kuya.
Yeah, I'm right here. I'm on level 11.
Huh?
Ah, I just died. I died.
Were you on level 11?
Nope. Don't
You
worry.
were on level 10?
Yeah.
You're still there?
I'm coming right now. Don't worry.
Just hurry.
Okay, I died.
Kuya.
I'm just joking.
Are you here?
Nope.
Kuya, don't die.
Oh, I was right there at the end. You guys saw. I was right there, and then I missed the jump. Okay, I'm actually. Elijah, I was almost there, but I died. Like, I was like almost there.
No, Kuya, just hurry.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming like right now.
What if you die again?
I won't, I promise. If I die. Oh, I was about to die again. I'm on level 11. Come on, let's go.
I know. No, I died. Kuya, I died.
Yeah, I'm still alive. I'm almost
I'm
there.
alive now.
Huh. I made it.
No, wait, Kuya.
I'm gonna wait for you on level 13.
Why?
Cause you made me wait 2 levels. So I'm gonna make you wait 2 levels.
No.
I'm on level 12. Oh, you're here already too.
I thought you were going to let me wait. Hey, this is hard.
I know, right?
I died.
I died too. I died.
I didn't. Well, what is this?
Oh no. I died. Elijah, if you make it, I'm skipping level. If you make it, I'm skipping level.
I'm not. I died. I'm skipping.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me try it one more time. If I don't make it, I'm skipping.
I got 6 gems.
Elijah actually made it.
I'm on 13.
Wait. I'm almost
Come
there.
on, Kuya.
Coming.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm here.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I just passed you.
I don't know. Where are you?
I.
No. Kuya, how did you do that?
You gotta run back and then just run again and just jump.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, I fell. Kuya, I fell. Help me.
I fell like you did. You've been in this game for about, let's see. Elijah, you've been
How
in.
many minutes is it?
It says 1,693. So that's divide that, which would be like you've been here for like.
How many more minutes?
I don't know. It
No!
didn't tell me.
Leon.